Hello guys, how to make a ton transaction on WCoin. If you have more than 50 million, I urge you to make your ton transaction because these guys don't have investors. Now currently you can make a ton transaction to earn more token and other tasks. Snapshot is 27th of October 2024. Follow this step-by-step tutorial on how to make coin ton transaction ahead of the TGE that is coming. Also, make sure that you have staked a minimum of 3 times before the listing. I repeat, make sure that you have staked a minimum of 3 times to quickly accomplish this task. Make sure that you are staking for 3 days. Stake 3 days. You can stake 3 times in a row. After the 3 days expire, you stake again until you get to 10 times staking and claim, so that you will be eligible for this airdrop that is coming. Now follow this step and this guide on how to make a ton transaction on your WCoin.
You know that any transaction you made in any airdrop is a risk. I repeat, it's at your own risk if you are making a ton transaction or a star transaction, which will require you to convert your local currency to that. Is at your own risk, and it is not compulsory. Note that. Why I'm doing this is because I have many of these tokens. I have more than 100,000 pieces. Sorry, I have more than 100 million pieces of this WCoin. I repeat, I have more than 100 million, which is currently on staking pool. That is why I'm boldly making this ton transaction. Now, if you want to do it, you can also do it. It is not mandatory and it is not compulsory to do it at your own way. Now, to do it, click on W Galaxy. When you click on W Galaxy, now this is the benefit of doing a ton transaction with one ton. You will get 3 times on all reward and also 100% unlock on TGE. During TGE, you will be able to unlock your 100% of your total coin. That means your token will be given to you. If you did not make a ton transaction, all your token will not be given to you. They will do it through vesting. Now, the third benefit is one-time WCoin reward. I repeat, one-time WCoin reward. They will give you all your reward once. And the second one, your Y claim, the other token you are currently mining, which is called Y, you will claim it times 2 anytime you want to claim daily. Now, online and offline special event, you will also be inclusive. You will include events, exclusive events, both in-game and offline, for a chance to earn unique reward. These are the tasks that will be added to this platform. You will be eligible and you will be added both online and offline any task. You will be among the concourse people which is selected to talk about the future of this project. Now, this last one, which is community reward pool. Now, this community reward pool is a take part in exclusive prize draw for WCoin subscribers. Sign up today for a chance. You also sign up for this benefit called community pool reward. Now, I want to make a ton transaction. As you can see, I've already connected my wallet on Skipper. If you have not connected your wallet, connect yours. Now, I will click on explore one ton. I am sacrificing one ton for it. I repeat, doing it is at your own risk. It is not compulsory. They are not forcing you to do it. It's at your own way. Now, I will say pay this as my gas fee. I will click on confirm. I'm sending this one ton to WCoin. As you can see, it say 50 million WCoin has just been added to my wallet. I repeat, 50 million WCoin has just been added. It say welcome to W Galaxy. I will click on jump in. Now, this is it. Congratulations.
it has been thick, which is coming soon. If you have not done yours, I urge you to do it because these projects seem legit and there is no boasting and there is no investor. That is why they need some time to be able to list this their project, because to list a project is not free. They will pay some amount of money to those exchanges to be able to list this their project. Now, the reward which I will be gaining has just started. Many tasks has been added to mine. Just what you as you can see, I am any more. The more I tap, the more I earn. If you are doing it, it as at your own detriment and at your own risk. However, I'm not a financial advice, but I will guide you on what to do, why you should do it, if you must do it, and why you must not do it. I repeat, I said that I'm doing it because I have more of this token. I have more than 100 million. If you have more than 50 million of W coin, I urge you to also do it. Thank you for coming across this video. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe or follow.